Your 20s are basically financial quicksand. You look around, your friends are buying expensive cars they can barely afford, people are taking out massive loans for degrees that don't even pay off, and ordering food 3 times a week just to convince themselves that this is living life. And maybe you're thinking, should I be doing the same thing? Or am I gonna be broke forever? Today, I'm gonna tell you a hard truth. The things you buy in your 20s will decide whether your 30s are about building wealth or just surviving paycheck to paycheck. Most people think your 20s are for spending and your 30s are for getting serious. But that's like starting marathon training the day before the race. So today, I'm gonna show you 7 smart purchases that can literally change your life. Let's get into it. The first thing you should buy, and yeah, this might surprise you, it's not gadgets, it's not clothes, it's investing in your side hustle. Most people think side hustles are free, but the best ones actually need some upfront investment. Maybe it's buying a camera for photography, getting a domain for your online business, or paying for a course to learn a new skill. Your 20s are the best time to take risks. You don't have heavy responsibilities yet. If you fail, you bounce back fast. But if you win, you might never have to worry about money again. So start where your skills are and invest in them. The second thing is index funds. Yeah, they're boring, but they're also your most reliable friend. They won't make you rich overnight, but over time, they work like magic. Here's some simple math. If you start investing just a few $100 a month at 22 and get around a 10% return, by retirement, you could have over $1 million. But if you start at 32, that 10-year delay could cost you hundreds of thousands. So automate it. Set it up so the money gets invested before you even see it, because what you don't see, you don't spend. The third thing you should buy is a plane ticket. Wait, I'm not talking about those flashy Instagram vacations. I'm talking about strategic travel. When you go to a new city, talk to strangers, and solve new problems, you build confidence and independence that lasts a lifetime. And the fourth thing is real education. Stay away from those $997 courses where people stand in front of rented Lambos selling dreams. Instead, invest in books, workshops, and courses that actually increase your value. A $10 book can completely change how you see money, and your brain in your 20s learns faster than it ever will again. The fifth thing is real estate. Now you might be like, bro, I can barely afford noodles. How am I buying a house? Think about house hacking. Live in one part, rent out the other, and let your tenant help cover your mortgage. Now the sixth thing, this is what keeps the middle class stuck. You need cheap, reliable transportation. Notice I didn't say car, I said transportation. In their 20s, people buy expensive cars on huge EMIs just to look successful. But the truth is, a new car is not an investment. The moment you drive it out, it loses value instantly. Instead, buy a 3 to 5-year-old reliable car in cash. Take the money you save on EMIs and invest it. Over time, that can turn into serious wealth. A car EMI kills your freedom. No EMI, that gives you options. The seventh and most important investment, your health. Most of us think we'll never get sick. We live on energy drinks, junk food, and no sleep. But listen, building wealth takes serious physical and mental energy. If your body isn't working, how are you gonna focus on your job or side hustle? You don't need a fancy gym. Eat better, sleep properly, and move your body. Health isn't a luxury, it's the foundation of everything. Now here's the big picture. All of these things are connected. Your health gives you energy leads to. That energy helps you build a side hustle that makes you money, and that money gets invested. And without a heavy car EMI, you actually have freedom. Most people chase short-term pleasure. While your friends are financing cars to look rich, you'll be driving a basic car and investing in boring index funds. People might call you cheap. Let them. Real success isn't about impressing strangers. It's about waking up and deciding how you want to spend your day, not working just to pay off EMIs. Start with just one smart decision today, because 10 years from now, you'll either thank yourself or regret it. If this video made you think differently, hit subscribe and like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay smart and keep investing.